In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts and snapshots in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the full process, from creating a brand new sub-account to loading and customizing a snapshot inside it, so you can quickly spin up new client workspaces with all the assets you need. First, log into your GoHighLevel agency account and head over to your main launchpad. This is the central hub where you manage your agency settings and all of your clients' sub-accounts. From the launchpad, look for the option labeled Sub-Accounts and click on it. This is where you'll see a list of all the accounts you manage, and it's also where you'll go to create new ones. Next, click on the button that says Create Sub-Account. This starts the setup process for a new client or location. GoHighLevel will now ask how you want to set it up. You'll see a list of snapshots you can use. A snapshot is basically a pre-built package of assets, such as funnels, workflows, pipelines, campaigns, and settings. Under the snapshot, you want to load, click, select, and continue. If you're not sure which one to use, choose the snapshot that best matches your niche or the services you're offering. On the next screen, choose Add Manually. This allows you to enter all the client details yourself, instead of pulling data from another integration. Now, fill out all the required information for the new sub-account, such as business name, contact details, and any other relevant fields. Take a moment to double check everything, because this is what will appear inside the client's workspace. When you're done, click Add Sub-Account. GoHighLevel will create the new account with your chosen base settings. To add or change the snapshot for that sub-account, go back to the Sub-Accounts area. Find the sub-account you just created and click on it to open its details. In the top right or Actions area, click on Actions, then choose Load Snapshot. Open the Choose a Snapshot drop-down and select the snapshot you want to apply to the sub-account. Click Proceed to continue. You'll now decide which assets you want to push from the snapshot. Review the options carefully, then click Proceed again. If GoHighLevel detects any conflicts with existing assets in the sub-account, click the plus icons to expand each section, review the conflicts, and choose which items you want to overwrite. When you're happy with your choices, click Proceed. To finalize, type the word Confirm in all caps into the confirmation field, then click Proceed one last time. GoHighLevel will now load the snapshot into your sub-account, and once it's finished, your new client workspace will be ready to use.